Good morning, everyone. Today we are talking a sensitive topic. When we are talking about a sensitive one, a very sensitive topic, of which we are talking about what keeps a woman stay with you. What keeps a woman stay with you? If in a relationship, as a man, there are things of which they are changing. First thing is financial issue. If you are financial developing, a woman will stay. If you have a constant financial salary, a woman will stay. Doesn't love you. No woman loves a man. And I'm saying this without a regret. No woman loves a man. And I'm saying again, even your Bible say, men love your woman and women respect your man. Doesn't say women love your man. Women don't have love. Even though you are a Christian or you are a what, I'm telling you today, don't think your woman loves you. Your woman don't love you. Don't don't hook yourself. Don't lie to yourself. A woman do not love you. That's where a problem it becomes when we are talking about those issues that appear of killing women, thinking that a woman stay with a man who is stable, who is stability, who has stability of money or income and salary. Don't hook yourself. Today I'm teaching you this as a man. Don't ever, don't ever hook yourself, or else you will have a problem. You will have an issue. So that is the first thing that keeps a woman. The second thing that keeps a woman, maybe she thinks that there will be a change in your future. That is the second thing that keeps a woman. So that is what it is for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit notification bell, and don't forget to like.